Sitting alone in a quiet coffee shop, watching the sun setting low, I can't help but wonder what's the point of it all. Just a small town old man, feeling sad and so small. Lost in life's lullaby, searching for a sign, hoping to find some meaning in this grand design. Memories and dreams tangled in my mind, just a frustrated soul trying to find my place to shine. The smell of coffee brewing in the warm breeze reminds me of simpler times when worries would ease. But now I'm tangled in the chaos of the world, trying to make sense of it all as life unfurls. So I'll keep on dreaming for a while under the starlit sky, hoping to uncover the answers as life goes by. Lost in life's lullaby, but still holding on to the hope that one day I'll understand where I belong.